So this is how to check if you've plagiarized. You go to grades and you click on the assignment that you want to check, and you should truthfully be checking all your major assignments, all your, summaries, bibliographies, essays. You click on the title. Well, you can click right here on the red flag here because this will get you to your report. Or you can click on the title and you'll see the red flag again here. But you click on the flag and it's going to be a different color depending on what your percentage is. So I'm going to click here. This is not the best example. I'm going to show you a good example in a second, but this is not the best example because the test student entirely 100% plagiarized someone's work that had previously, one of my students' work that had previously been turned in. So usually an assignment is not 100% plagiarized. So I'm going to show you here are screenshots of what a more typical originality report looks like, so I can sort of talk to you about it. So remember, plagiarism is, the strictest definition is 3 words in a row, the same as the original. And here you've got 4 words and 2 words not, and then another 8 words or so, a word not, and then 4 words or so. So when I see something like this, it's kind of patchy. I think, okay, this student didn't paraphrase well. You didn't put the original lines enough into your own words. And to do that, you do 2 things. You find synonyms, you find alternate words, and you change the structure of the sentence, which is easy. You just choose a new subject. That's how you do it. So you can see what the screenshots look like of the report. Now I'm back in the actual originality report that Turnitin generated here. And I just want to show you one feature. If you click on the, this is the percentage that this assignment was plagiarized. This is 100% plagiarized. Usually your number will be more like, 10 or 30, 10 to 30 if you have a little bit of plagiarism. But if you click on that, then you get the link, the original document that published these lines will come up, so you can sort of see what you've been matched to, what your assignment has been matched to.